just loading up our car. Loriana Grande did a good job. We're following up. Look at that booty. So it's kind of cool. They got a little area for people to sit. Obviously, people can load up their cars. They had me file through. They got the boat crew area up front. It's actually pretty organized. Everything is it's pretty good. And the beautiful Mrs. Another drink for your boat ride.
Here. I'm so excited.
Guys, it is raining. We just got done eating dinner. Thanks to my beautiful wife, Loriana Grande. She cooked us Pancit Canton, one of my favorites. So now we're gonna play some Uno. Uno. So as you can hear, it is raining outside. So we're gonna try to stick it out, and we're gonna save our firewood hopefully for tomorrow morning. If it continues to rain all night, we will be in here. So far we're staying dry. Stay tuned, guys. We'll talk to you later. Hey guys, it's Trail out here, and we are in our tent right now. It is storming outside, and it's starting to get a little cold. It's only 8 o'clock right now. I would say it's dropped down to maybe low 50s. But our tent is smoking right now because we have what we call it's called the Little Buddy heater. So what it is, it's basically a propane heater. Which you might be thinking is, how can you have a propane heater in a tent? But this thing has an oxygen sensor on it, so it will actually shut off if the oxygen level goes too low. So you can actually, this is actually made for being in tents, but it's super toasty in here. I would say we're gonna have to shut it off shortly. We were worried we might run out of it's gonna get too cold in here, but this thing is making this thing turn into like a sauna. So yeah, we're gonna definitely have to shut it off within a little bit, but we're staying super toasty in here. We got plenty of ventilation around us because this entire roof is mesh. So we're just getting fresh air through the entire thing over here. But so far we're gonna stay pretty good. It's now 8 o'clock. We're gonna kind of wind down, and we'll get with you guys tomorrow. So talk to you guys later.
When your husband's a giant. Bye. See you next year.